Today we're going to take a look at some common ingredients you may have around your house that you can utilize in order to level up your cocktail garnish game. So first and foremost, some of the normal garnish that we're going to be using is citrus. So there are many different types of citrus. You could use peels, you could use wedges, coins, and everything in between. If you do make a lot of cocktails, I would highly recommend growing some edible flowers in your garden. It adds a really cool visual appeal if I wanted to add that into a cocktail. The next one is herbs. Herbs are a really great way to add visual appeal to your cocktails, whether it be dill, rosemary, I think this is some thyme that I have, or even sage. Spices are a really good one as well. So what we have here is star anise. And finally, we have salt and pepper. These could be used to add texture to the side of the glass, add a little bit more visual appeal, but also you can combine a lot of these ingredients together to really start to tell a story. Explore some of these items and some of the techniques on garnishing, and you could really level up your cocktail visual game with just a few simple things.